and invented recombinant GROEL IgM ELISA provide better leptospirosis diagnosis by providing rapid, highly accurate anti-recombinant GROEL IgM screening of suspected leptospirosis during the first week of the fever and differentiating leptospirosis among other diseases, including melioidosis, scrub typhus, dengue fever, flu, and malaria. Recently, we received a Silver Award and the Best Video Presentation Award in the International Invention and Innovative Competition. My name is Assistant Professor Dr. Santi Manivachararangsi. I'm a lecturer working at the Department of Molecular Tropical Medicine and Genetics, Faculty of Tropical Medicine, Mahidol University. Today, I'm going to share with you on research, publication, and diagnostic test kit innovation entitled Evaluation of a Genus-Specific Recombinant GROEL12524 IgM ELISA and Commercial ELISA test kit during the course of leptospirosis in Thailand. This paper was published in Scientific Reports Journal in 2021. Leptospirosis is a zoonotic disease that affects approximately 1 million people each year and has a 10 to 20% fatality rate. The disease is frequently found in the subtropical and tropical region of the world, including the Southeast Asian countries. Thailand is one of the endemic areas of the disease. The disease is also found as an epidemic in natural disasters such as flooding. To treat the disease, the development of a reliable and varied diagnostic test providing high sensitivity and specificity is needed for the diagnosis of leptospirosis so that the disease can be diagnosed and treated early in the course of the illness, leading to the better clinical outcome. In this study, we developed an IgM ELISA screening test using a genus-conserved region of recombinant GROEL12524 as an antigen to detect specific IgM antibodies in blood specimens of suspected leptospirosis cases. We evaluated its diagnostic performance for early leptospirosis diagnosis using local Thai blood samples compared to reference culture and microscopic agglutination tests or MAT methods. The recombinant GROEL antigen IgM ELISA is an qualitative enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay that provide high diagnostic accuracy with about 94.6% sensitivity and 92.5% specificity compared to the gold standard method, including leptospira isolation and MAT method. We also assess the usefulness of commercial ELISA using Thai blood samples in the context of the disease outbreak and compared to the gold standard methods, including leptospira isolation and MAT, and invented recombinant GROEL IgM ELISA provide better leptospirosis diagnosis by providing rapid, highly accurate anti-recombinant GROEL IgM screening of suspected leptospirosis during the first week of the fever and differentiating leptospirosis among other diseases, including melioidosis, scrub typhus, dengue fever, flu, and malaria. The newly developed ELISA test could be used for the epidemiological surveillance. The newly invented recombinant GROEL IgM ELISA will result in better health and well-being and improve the quality of patient life, reducing the economic burden caused by disability-adjusted life years, primarily reflecting the impact of the ELISA innovation on economic productive capacity. The FTM Translational Medicine and Innovation Grant 2016 of the Faculty of Tropical Medicine, Mahidol University, Thailand, and the Center of Excellence on Medical Biotechnology or CEMB Thailand are funding of this research. The patenting of the ELISA test kit is an ongoing process by the Department of Intellectual Properties, Ministry of Commerce, Thailand. The author received and Outstanding Presentation Award from the Mahidol Universities and the National Science Council. Recently, we received a Silver Award and the Best Video Presentation Award in the International Invention and Innovative Competition. For more information and collaboration about our research and innovation, please feel free to contact me via email at santi.man@mahidol.ac.th.